ADIA doubles its investment in an Aussie real estate fund, and Baidu's Q2 profit soars 43%. You're watching the Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Abu Dhabi Investment Authority is doubling its investment in an Australian real estate private credit vehicle. Qualitas says ADIA will invest $451 million into one of its Australian commercial real estate private credit funds. The move doubles ADIA's investment in the fund to $902.1 million. Qualitas has $4.8 billion under management. The investment comes as major banks and public debt markets grow wary about a real estate sector where higher rates are crunching property values. Egypt has made a new oil discovery in the Gisum and Tawila West concession in the Gulf of Suez. The discovery was made by Egypt's Cheiron through exploration well GNN-11. It's currently producing more than 2,500 barrels a day. The well is the fourth to be completed, and another 3 wells could be drilled as part of the current phase of exploration. Total output for the field, located in North Gisum, has reached about 23,000 BPD. India's July crude oil imports from Saudi tumbled to their lowest in 2.5 years following OPEC Plus cuts. Tanker data from trade and industry sources show Saudi shipments fell by 26% to 470,000 barrels per day. India's imports from Russia also fell, dipping for the first time in 9 months. Russian shipments declined 5.7% to 1.85 million BPD. India's overall imports in July also declined 5.2% from June to 4.4 million BPD, as several refining plants are shut for maintenance during monsoon season. Video game giant Activision will sell its non-European streaming rights to Ubisoft Entertainment to get its video gaming deal past British regulators. Britain's CMA is the only regulator to block Microsoft's $69 billion Activision deal. Microsoft says it believes its new proposal is a substantially different transaction. The CMA says the revised transaction would allow Ubisoft to commercialize these rights to other cloud gaming service providers, including to Microsoft itself. Chinese internet giant Baidu saw Q2 profits soar 43% year-on-year to $718 million. Revenue rose 15% to $4.7 billion, well above forecasters' expectations. Income from online marketing accounted for more than half of Baidu's revenue, rising 15%. Rival Tencent announced last week a 41% year-on-year jump in Q2 net income, while e-commerce leader Alibaba reported an unexpected 14% rise in quarterly sales. Staying in China, U.S. Commerce Secretary Gina Raimondo will visit the country next week, adding to a slew of U.S. officials dispatched in recent months to ease tensions between the world's 2 largest economies. Washington says it's seeking to better manage its frosty relations with China, with the 2 powers at loggerheads over everything from trade to human rights to Taiwan. Talks will focus on the U.S.-China commercial relationship, challenges faced by U.S. businesses, and areas for potential cooperation. Let's take a look now at today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking. Our biggest winner today is Elon Musk. After Tesla gained 7.3% in the last session, he's up a whopping $11.3 billion and now has net wealth of $229.9 billion. Our second biggest winner today is LVMH's Bernard Arnault, up $4.7 billion, now with net wealth of $213.3 billion. And our third place winner is NVIDIA's Jensen Huang. NVIDIA shares climbed nearly 8.5% in the last session. He's up $3.2 billion with net wealth of $41.8 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. And bosses running Britain's biggest listed companies enjoyed pay rises of 16% last year as workers' wages struggled with the worst cost of living crisis in a generation. That's according to research by independent think tank The High Pay Center. It shows the median FTSE 100 CEO was paid $4.99 million. That's 118 times the median UK full-time worker. Researchers say while millions of families saw their budgets cut by the cost of living crisis, city directors enjoyed bumper pay rises. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is the Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.